Ready in 5 minutes, this lemony and sesame dip makes eating raw and cooked vegetables a whole new experience. Let's start. Hi, I'm Marianne, I'm a French cook and I'm here to share my best recipes. Today we're in Provence. After 6 months in our home in Paris, it's so unbelievable to be here and the nature is so beautiful, I wanted to share it with you. So to make this tahini dip, you're going to need tahini, lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper and a little bit of water. First we're going to squeeze the lemon. We need the juice of only half a lemon. Then you need a small garlic clove. Peel the garlic, remove the germ. And then put it in the garlic press and press it into a bowl. And actually the recipe is over now. The only thing left to do is to put all the ingredients in the bowl. Now I'm adding the tahini. You can put the ingredients in whatever order you want, it doesn't matter. Adding salt, pepper, olive oil. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together until smooth. It looks very good. But if you refrigerate it, it's going to thicken. If so, you might want to add some water to have a smoother texture. So if you do, just add a little bit of water until you have the consistency you wished. Your tahini dip is ready to serve. So you can serve this dip with raw vegetables, carrot for example. You could also pour the tahini sauce over roasted vegetables. So here you go, a delicious tahini dip or sauce to make your vegetables even better. I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.